Cannot see my video. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. My voice is audible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your
Yeah.
voice is audible.
Yes. Here I'll check. Voice is audible. Uh,
Hello?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Audible?
Yes, yes. One sec.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, your voice is also audible.
Yeah, that. Okay. So where we will start?
I'll share you also. You can also check. Link I'll share
Yeah.
you. One second. Mm, what name is this man? If I get a better name, I guess.
Huh?
Name.
Whose name?
OBS thing. Okay, this is done. This is done. This will minimize. Okay. I will find data today. Tell me today what we'll do.
See, today we will complete the map, like when we are going to launch this and when we are going to mm, we set the phases, like how we are going to execute this. Since the product is, I mean, product will be ready in some days for sure.
Uh,
So we just plan the next phase and we'll also have a deadline for the MVP to be launched.
hmm. For that, for our app, we need data, right? So first thing is that priority data. We have it, right? Shashank
For that,
collected the data. What
yeah,
happened
yeah,
after that?
Shashank said like, not sure about the company. Oh yeah, okay. The company data is also okay. That is
Hmm.
fine.
Okay.
Uh,
Data we have, right? Just have to upload it, or we have to collect it. What is?
some data, I think company information and all we have to get it right.
Mhm. That is pending task. Data is pending. So I'll add it. Screen of it. Yeah. Clear and simple, right?
Yeah.
I'll write it down. What all tasks are pending?
Then
These are pending tasks, right?
yeah, yeah, building tasks.
Collect data. Data
How
is
we are
collect.
gonna market it.
Huh?
Marketing is left.
Marketing data is left. First, uh, what is it?
We'll ask Sashank if he's uploading it or not, or else we'll
Hmm,
upload
hmm,
it.
hmm. Uh, three products. Three
Yeah.
products. Three products. And product. Okay, for three products, how much percentage is done every product that we have to see first, right?
Yeah.
From my end, which I am building, At least I think 80% is done until if this is an app, right? So for that thing I have to upload for Play Store uploading, and also for that thing so many things are required. So
Okay,
that
so till shipping, we have to check. Okay.
building phase, how much part is left in building. So while we are marketing, we can do in marketing phase, right? I told, right, first month we'll do for building, second month and after that we'll see on marketing. So the shipping, adding on Play Store, all those things, making the website live or app, putting in Play Store and all, this thing will put in that marketing thing only. Okay.
Deployment is in marketing.
Everything other than development. Because once development thing is done, while we are
See,
marketing,
just two
uh,
phases marketing.
see.
First, we will put building the product. Okay.
Hmm.
Second,
Mosquito
shipping the product.
Okay.
So the deployment, all the dev test and all those
Building
prod
the
phases,
product.
everything will be next phase, shipping phase. No, 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 it was correct only.
And like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Phase one.
So this
Then
shipping product.
phase two. Okay. Okay, done. Shipping product. Hmm. But you have to make full product, right? When you want to ship entire product with data, everything
I mean,
should be there in there.
see, as of now, we can have the MVP. Oh, for Tomo link, we need the see, Tomo link.
Don't say the
We
name
need
for the website. We need name. We'll keep some things. Okay, one, two, three, something. What will say?
P1, P2, P3.
P1, P2, P3. P1 is you type and send me. Ah, mosquito man.
Your screen is shared there, right?
You send me on WhatsApp. We will keep something. These things also we can remember when you're doing. How we like how we didn't share it to someone. See, here also people can see it in my left side, like sidebar on my screen also. How can we hide it? The names are visible.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. What is it? Yeah, no, no, no. Okay, okay, done, done, done. Yeah. Now you see which one? Yeah. Anything that company has
Okay, so
it
that
on.
source we cannot reveal.
Yeah.
Okay. So phase two, we'll just ship the product. Mm,
See how many things we have to see. While development and all, right, we have to hide keys, right? We cannot reveal the env files. So here it's like that only. Env files we
yeah.
cannot reveal.
So next is the marketing phase.
Shipping phase, marketing phase, three. Let's see. Marketing the product phase. Marketing the product phase also. Okay. Huh. These are the phases, right? So,
So these will have chunks and chunks of phases within each phases.
so
I
now
mean,
we have
within
to
each
see.
phase, we have chunks and chunks of
We'll go with first how much
products.
percentage is done for building for
Yeah,
each and
yeah.
everything.
So product one building is done. I think shipping
Phase
building.
one.
I think so. We can say 80% because
Not
later
80,
on
it's more than 80, I guess. What is left in that?
because the source of the product is, the heart of the product is gonna be data.
Oh, data. Okay,
So
okay. That was you
yeah,
added,
so if
right?
the heart
Hmm.
is not there, then it's
Uh,
not yet.
what is that? What did you say? P1 or T1?
Not
What did you
it's
say?
not phase one, it's P1. P1 you call.
No, no. What is that
P1 you
product?
call.
P1. Product one.
P1 just
That is
P1, yeah.
product one, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now, what I was thinking is it will be phase one. That means building phase. So in that, product one is the product. Phase
Uh,
one means building product. So we are thinking about building.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
product one, how much percentage? 80%. 80%. Uh, 80% is done, right? Like what is it? Product building is done.
Remaining is left over is the data sets and proper end-to-end testing.
Is
That is
done.
only.
Product building is done. Then data needs to be added. uh, Data needs to be added in it and proper end-to-end testing, right?
Okay.
And the payment flow testing, and we have to do that.
Yeah, payment flow testing and then the termination of the
Ha ha
access
ha.
checks, access termination,
Uh, a termination of access means login, huh?
not login, man. Once the
Oh,
package,
payment, after payment.
no, see, for example, if someone is buying quarterly package, then if the quarter is getting over, we should
That's the thing.
terminate their
Payment
access.
thing only, right? Once the payment is
Huh?
once the payment is done, then he took that for 1 or 2 months. After 1 or 2 months, he should not be able to use it. Correct, right?
Yeah, that terminate has to be done.
Ha ha ha. Okay, okay, this thing. And I was thinking about one more thing. End-to-end testing is done. Product is done. In that also, I was thinking something. I forgot. Ah, okay.
Uh,
80%. Again, what is this?
Okay. Next is data sets need to be added so that we need to
Data
process.
sets are.
You can see. I think you can make it as a bullet points each thing because
I'll add it.
it's not readable. I
This
mean,
one,
maybe
it
like
is
we
not
can
easy.
give this to Chat GPT and it will make us formatted as well.
Yes.
No, no, the
See,
whole thing we'll give it.
yeah.
That is fine.
See, guys, how we are using AI. Don't use AI because today what happened, today what happened, I'll tell you. There is one guy, okay, from my college only,
Mm.
junior. He called me.
Hey, one second. Sorry, sorry. By the way, that guy didn't call, right?
No, no, he didn't call. He posted one video of singing, some singing video. He posted. I realized, okay, they are not interested in that thing. Okay. Then this guy called me. Yesterday, I posted on Reel on Instagram. Vercel got hacked. Okay. So this guy called me and he's like, Pawan, how are you? Who is calling? Then that person only told me that I think you don't remember me. Why I called was I saw your reel on Instagram. There you mentioned like this thing is Vercel got hacked. So I uploaded one project on Vercel. So what will happen with that? I told for you nothing will happen. It's for big companies only. He just uploaded one dummy project, man. That he was scared. What
He
happened?
didn't
Something got
change
hacked.
the keys.
Just project, personal project.
Okay, okay, okay.
Um, yeah, okay. 80% this is the product. Then this. And yeah. Okay, this is for product one. Then anything else is left here? Access. Login. Login is working. Okay.
Login and all is working.
Login is working. That is things are working. Backend side, admin side also corrected. That is also working. Product is completed. Data is on left. Product is built. We need to add data. Okay. Then P2 are
82
is
is
80%. You can say same 8, not 80. This is for building only, right? Product
yeah.
80 only. You can say I didn't test for iOS and all. I don't have iOS device. Android is working fine. Yeah, Android works fine. Build for iOS also, but was not able to test it. Okay. Anything else? Then, yeah,
I
this.
think watch is not necessary right now in everything.
Yeah, not
And
add it.
also, as you say, like we can put it like, I mean, we can specify the
That is also done. I split it into Android and iOS. Android side, I covered watch also. Android side, watch is working, mobile is also working. iOS side, built. Watch is also built, iOS is, what is it? App is also built. But the main thing is I cannot test it. So for testing, I need some device or some watch. For that also, I need iOS watch. That thing is required. Then sign in with Google is not done.
and then
Google is not
next
done
is
for. I'll tell you one more thing is left over for iOS. Okay. Then here one more issue is there here. Yesterday I was in doing exercise. That time I remembered this. Uh, what if a person sends one request like he has taken the subscription for 1 month,
mm,
okay,
mm,
and I have set a timer for 2 days notifications, continuously you'll get notification for 2 days.
mm,
What if the today is 20 um, 30th, okay, 30th, and tomorrow he'll plan will be expired. So 30th his plan is expired today, but
mm,
on first also he'll get notifications there. First also not, because notification is set for 2 days. If continuously you're not using for 2 days, second day, the third day will not get notification. Before I added for 7 days, but
no, I
inter
can understand. I can
see
understand. Can
app is there, right? So in that app,
understand.
I have set a notification timer will be there. Okay, alarm notification system, which will run every day based on your time interval for what is it, 2 days continuously. If you are not opening the app continuously, you'll get notification for 2 days. Okay. In between, after 2 days, if you didn't open the app, the notification will be stopped. You will not get notification because we have set 2 into, imagine 30 notification you will get for today, 30 notification tomorrow. So 60 notifications are set in Android. So continuously you will get 60 notification until and unless you open the app again. If you open the app today night, so from today night, tomorrow you'll get 2 days. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. 2 days set of notifications I have added. You're getting it? Because if I use, I face this problem. I face
Still,
this
I can understand. Notification of what? Like,
notification of the, I have notification thing,
yeah,
right?
task.
Huh.
Mm,
So whenever a user comes to our platform, if he is not opening the app, imagine I didn't set for 2 days, I set for today only. So I have used my entire app today. At night, I'll use my last slot. So tomorrow I'll not get notifications only from that app. So I have set it for 2 days. So today I use the app till night. So tomorrow it's like tomorrow and day after tomorrow's alarm, 2 days alarm will be set. 2 days set I have kept. 2 days means 60 notification will be set on your device. So you will get 60 notification at the time, from the time when you stop using the app. You're getting, if you're not using the app also, you'll get 2 days notification continuously.
2 days of notification.
Huh.
Okay, okay.
So this kind of thing will be there. So imagine a person using this app, 30th he has used it, but he'll get notifications on 31st also and 1 also.
Yeah.
So here we should keep a check that whenever he'll click on that notification and he'll come to that app, that time he should check it if the user is logged in or not. Not logged
Logged
in.
in the sense
Not logged in. If he
friend or not.
is coming from mobile, it's okay. If he's coming from watch, on watch only is typing and going clicking the notification and is going to that screen where he has to record or type it. That time we should check if he is in pro plan or free plan. If he is in pro plan, log him out or from that device. If he is in free plan, then because free plan means his plan is expired. So free plan, remove it, remove that login session, remove all those notification which is set for next 2 days. It will be stopped. Today only I remembered because this edge case I didn't cover. Once you are logged out, there also payment gateway. This thing is left. Payment is done. After that, it should only check for. You should only be able to use the pro plan or tracker plan for that much time only, 1 month or okay, okay. So that is also missing.
Okay.
What's
Okay.
happening is like what same termination of the axis. This thing is there. This we are missing in everything. Anything else is there in this?
The next one is service, so it's not a problem that will be generated by us. So
Oh, here what is that? You just tell me. Analysis part, right? Product, how much is
yeah,
product
the
is
building thing is around 60% done. I have to test with multiple different
what is left?
uh, thing. Okay, different leads I should check. Yeah.
Hmm. What is left?
So hmm?
What is left?
Yeah, that is the thing. I have to check with different leads, and I have to check the proper generation of the report.
If you tell me, I'll write it down.
So I think I will complete this by this week probably.
What all thing is left? Analysis, right?
Yeah,
Testing.
yeah. Analysis part,
Testing.
and testing part. Testing, mainly testing. I have to do multiple testing.
Then that thing you did 10 seconds something I had told you, right?
Yeah, that thing is done now. First one is
You told me that it is dividing into first part, middle part, and the last part. Then I
not
suggest.
last part. It's like
Yeah.
it is dividing the video into every single row. Okay. Every 2 seconds, 3 seconds is converted into one tensor.
Yeah,
One
but
row.
in that
And
also.
each tensor is analyzed specifically and it is grouped into 10, 15 seconds, 15 seconds,
Yeah, but
30
it is
seconds.
giving you results for that each 2 seconds or some seconds because what you had told me was first that thing, middle one and last one. So if you're saying first section also attraction section, if it will people will see that or not. So it is dividing into more sections because what I told you was 10, 10, 10, 10. If you do, you can give analysis of first 10, second 10, third 10, this thing.
Yeah, I can make it. Not a big deal. What I've made till now is like the first hook is very important, like the first part. Okay,
Hmm.
first 10, 15 seconds. Because that will make the user stay or leave the video.
Mhm.
Okay. So that part is done. Middle part, we are checking if there is anything that will activate the
Hmm.
the boring part of the brain.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so if at all we are getting bored by the video,
Hmm.
I mean, yeah, then we'll just directly skip it, right? We'll directly, we are not gonna watch it fully. So there we are gonna give an skip.
Okay. But in
Okay,
this
so apart from that, in the end, what we are doing is if the user is gonna come back again or something like
oh, that you are doing at the end. Okay, okay, okay.
so something like that. Okay,
Nice.
so that will also give them an edge, right? So again and
But
again, if they are
in that also, through brain it is giving, or you're just giving percentage in that. How much percentage will the user come back or not?
so now I am giving the percentage. I referred your PDF, that just a
Uh,
PDF we have made,
and
right?
from that percentage also, we should provide a score for them that this is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
good score.
everything has scores. Everything has scores.
They're right.
And how we calculate that scores.
And
Those
for
things are mentioned.
and we should and instead of taking it from cloud or any kind of thing, what we can do is we can test it with high engagement videos, which I have told you what videos we can try.
Yeah, that is the
and
thing. We have to test it very nicely.
and if we can test it with that high engagement video, we can check, okay, this score he is giving, so that score will be the minimum average if your video, if the client's video is coming on that much average, that means yeah, this video people will watch it or something like that.
Okay, okay.
You download those kind of videos which I have told you. You cannot disclose it. It will
Yeah,
be
that
above
we
18
saw that.
content then. Yeah. Yeah, analysis and
So
testing.
that we can, yeah,
Again, what is there? Analysis and testing is left, right? Each and every part will divide. Okay, I'll write everything. Okay, in this also anything else is there which you can describe it. So overall thing we are, because if we have a part by part thing, right, we can divide it into each day. But when we are analyzing, okay, this task is left, we cannot divide it into small chunks. Something which you can say, okay, this part is here for this product.
for which?
For this only what we are doing. More
Okay.
specifics.
So for that we can divide it more into, I think, since this is not gonna be user centric, right? Like we are gonna do it, right?
Hmm.
So I feel the MVP that we have is pretty much okay for that.
Hmm. Major side is for analysis only.
We can, yeah, majorly we can focus on the analysis and testing,
Hmm.
because
Correct.
the flow is like we are only gonna do the service. So
And testing when you're doing, right, try to keep that report also.
report, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because that will be very helpful when we
We
are
can
showing
maybe
to
trigger an
client.
event that will mail them, or something like that, or that we can upload it to their account only so that they visit the website regularly. That
Hmm.
will give us an
Yeah,
edge.
if we can do this thing, right, if we can do this thing, then we can make that videos, like try to find very high engagement videos from Instagram and YouTube somewhere. We can have a collection
Yeah,
of that.
no, yeah, we can just show them a demo like how we are gonna produce the report of that video. Like we'll have a demo video. We can only take some video that doesn't have any copyrights or something like that. We'll analyze and we'll only say them that how it is analyzing. But is it licensed? Like we
Yeah,
cannot charge.
demo will be when the client comes to us. Okay, we will have a proper demo structure of how we will have it, at least 5 6 very high engagement videos how we are doing, right, we'll have it. But at least 20 30 what we can do is we can have an analysis, not too much, just video. Where is the video? Is it from YouTube or Instagram? Just an image of that link, and what our thing gave from that, how we did analysis and our model outperformed, how we are suggesting analysis, everything we can show, and we can put it on that website only, and we can share that website on LinkedIn, DM, everywhere. But main yesterday which I have seen, right, main thing is like LinkedIn only. We can find so many leads from LinkedIn based on categories. It's like this categories.
Yeah, I
So
think we can in future, maybe if required, we can take the pro also for the
I
subscription.
think not required. Why LinkedIn Pro is required? Just,
I think it gives you access for
what?
mobile numbers and all, I guess.
Mobile numbers? No, no. I think we will not get mobile number. What is this, man? No, no, no,
Yes,
sir,
we
sir,
will
something.
get.
Yesterday I was speaking about VIT, man. Suddenly I realized I should not speak about VIT lecturers. VIT something. Well, legal team is very strong. That also I mentioned. What will say? Okay, just tell me something. Research, no.
See, you know what they are giving for
Ah,
LinkedIn. You
array.
check everything
What
so
is?
that they'll always
Huh?
reach.
For that also, we can get it from data. LinkedIn's data. This was the thing yesterday he gave us. How we can
What if
see.
it's showing me, I mean, a lot of things?
Huh?
So it's asking me a lot of questions.
Who LinkedIn? Huh?
Yeah, yeah. It's checking like,
Oh.
ah, I need
No, Mirza, no.
customizing with AI.
What customizing with AI?
You know how much they are charging for 1 month? They are charging 1,249.
What wait, we'll
What they are
search.
see who has viewed your profile from the last
Oh,
365
LinkedIn
days.
Premium, you're saying, right?
Yeah, wait, wait, wait. After that, prominently showcase your service. Increase the visibility of your service on your profile. Full access to job application.
College students. Any college name you say? Your college something?
Guru Nanak.
It's, Garu, no, college. This one on the right.
Oh, I was wait, wait. I'm not seeing your screen. I'm
Oh,
seeing.
12,000 followers.
Yeah.
So if you can see, okay, so here for premium, see, student alumni or link something. Current student, we cannot see who are studying. We can use this thing, right, based on time or where year of study something. Where are all the students, man? How we can get the data of all the students?
Okay, you go search there. Search box. You go. Type Guru Nanak.
Guru Nanak. Filter somewhere.
People you click. Above.
Hmm.
Yes.
All filter, huh? Okay, connection, third connection, intern, job, location. Why is asking for location?
No, no, you just come here, man. Come down, man. Just come down.
Okay.
You are getting all the people from
Yeah, but here also I have to filter out. These are all the data.
who's
I want to,
studying
yeah,
currently.
who is currently studying. First we'll do this thing, then we'll go and do this. So this thing. We'll finish out all these things. Phase one, phase two, phase
I
three.
think that we can connect with. We'll try to automate that.
N8 something we'll do. That only I thought of doing today. How we can do it in live stream, how we are doing it N8 or any kind of AI agent, how we are building AI agent, scratching from scratch, how we are doing it. We'll finish this off first. Phase 2 something. Shipping the product.
Yeah, shipping the product is basically the deployment and test. I mean, the pre-prod testing and prod test. I mean, pre-prod testing and pushing it out.
For step by step we'll go for product 1, product 2, product 3, like this we'll go.
Everything is pending.
No, no,
Only
what
product one is done. Yes, one is done. One is done.
one is done, production, one is done, what thing is left in that? I remember this thing, connecting with Google traffic. That should be added over here. I think Google traffic afterwards or after that. Here we'll add.
Yeah, Google traffic. I think for only for one page you should add, I guess.
No, every page will one page only. No, every page. If we add more pages, it's good only.
No, it's good, but
Ad revenues will get.
people, yeah, every user will get it, right? So that's not. I think we can limit it based on the subscription, right? Like if the user is paying for subscription, we don't have to show them the ads.
See, ads. What we'll do, instead of before how ad used to come, it used to come directly on the screen. Like when you used to use Geeks for Geeks and all, right? Suddenly the ads will pop up in between the screen only while you're scrolling it. We'll not do like that. We'll create a specific section for ads only. There will be specific section where ads will be visible. That will be better because it will not affect any kind of other UI also.
Yeah,
And
yeah, that is correct. But what I am thinking is
hmm.
we are paying for subscription and still we are getting ads. Maybe like for the high end, like the last premium subscription, we won't show ads,
But
something
we are
like that.
not. It's not like a video, right? If you're showing ad, also nothing will happen. It's not interrupting while they are reading something or doing something. Ads will be below the screen or in between. We have first section. If you take about companies or something, we'll have company section in between. You're saying something XYZ. Then first section, second section, third and fourth section. In between two section, we'll add that thing.
Okay, okay, okay.
That, because I think ads you cannot limit it for subscription based. I don't know, but I think you cannot limit it for specific user or something. Ads will be integrated on the website, I feel. It's not in our control what ads will be played because Google will play it. You have to just integrate that frame in that website. Just a part where you want to show that ad.
Okay.
We'll add it in phase 2 or phase 1 only. Phase 2 only will add.
Phase two will add it.
Uh,
I
so,
think we should add it in phase one only.
okay. Google Ad Traffic Hub. Okay, Google Ads. Then here what is left? Again, then we have to create that will come in marketing, create banners, some kind of you get
Yeah,
visuals.
that is in marketing.
Marketing or oh, then what is shipping then? Shipping is pushing it to any kind of Warsaw or
Deploying
something,
and
deploying
yeah,
and all this
making it
thing.
live, those things.
That is done.
The pre-prod thing is done, right? Pre-prod
That
and
is
prod,
done.
prod,
But what if
yeah.
more user comes in that? Because I have faced. We have to check
Once the
Warsaw, right?
users,
Warsaw.
yeah,
Warsaw.
once, see, you said that we can scale it, right?
Warsaw we can scale, but I don't know Warsaw. It will charge for entire project because I have more than 100 projects in that. If they're Supabase used to charge that when you're using database, right? If you are using 5 database, and if I want to only scale one database, they'll charge for all 5 databases. You have to pay for all 5 database. Means $20 into 5 every database you have to pay. I don't know about Warsaw how they are charging for specific project or plan based.
Mm,
I think it's plan. I think it's plan based only. I have what is it? Hobby plan only right now. You can use it. You can scale it. When I used hosting, or I think 5 6 users when it hit right K2 instance or something, it the website was stopped. So here I have to check Warsaw how many users it can handle.
what is the instance?
Warsaw I don't think it will have some instance and all. I cannot show Warsaw also over here. What I should type? You tell me. I'll type it over here.
Mm,
Warsaw hobby hobby plan limits.
yeah.
Maximum functional duration, these all things are there. Cron job add-on will not use on the right millions it's per month. This is what is 200 projects. 10 minutes. This is not. This is all build time add-on traffic. Uh, we'll go in only. See, these are all the things. This is for deployment usage for hobby plan usage.
One second, just show me.
This one, huh?
Wait, I love.
You just check it. I'll till then I'll write for the app which I am building. What all things are left. For this one, I have to add Play Store. Everything. Play Store upload is left. Then again, what is left in that? Play Store and App Store. App Store upload is left. This is a service based, so no need to upload. Service based. Okay, Play Store and App Store upload. See, Aditya, why I was delaying this part, Play Store and App Store update. Because some people told me that if you are an individual person, individual account, that time to deploy on Play Store, it will take so many things in between. Like 15 to more than 1 month it will take for deploying in Play Store and all. But if you are an organization, it will just take 5 to 6 days to deploy on Play Store.
Oh, okay.
And that trust issue and all will not be there if you are using system level things and all, right, background app is running in background and all. Sometimes Play Store will reject it, but when you are an organization, Play Store will not reject it. That
Okay.
thing also we should see. So what I was thinking is first we'll register the company, then we can go and work on this. Until then, I'll keep ready all those things like images and all. Images are most important. uh, Marketing, that time only we have to do all those things, images and all for website. Okay. First register. uh, Reduce the okay. So this thing is done. Don't need upload a pleasure as an step. Okay. Register limit and all. Tell me for this thing what is left. Hello.
1 second, 1 second.
Checking, huh?
1 second, 1 second.
Hmm.
And using this, checking this scalability of that first click.
Was Versal scalability, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Now they added cron job also in Versal. For all it's required. Then what we have? Hmm, collect data. Marketing. Hmm, GM. What's the name? LinkedIn GMs. Okay. These things. This is secondary app. Collecting data for marketing. This also. I think for second app, right, we can go on uploading on Reddit productivity blogs. People who are into that productivity blogs and all, right, Reddit community and all, can upload there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
We
Reddit
can
is.
also market using people, influencers who are really consistent, and
Hmm.
with that we can also do kind of we can do it. Then next is maybe we can have this like 30 days of free what is that
Free app usage.
yeah, so that they can also give us the reviews on how it is, and we can also know
Hmm.
how the app
Yeah. How it
uh,
performs.
yeah performs, how the loads are managed, and we'll get an idea about the
I was
usage
thinking of in
performance.
second launch version 2 and all, we can add coupon codes. If you're coming
Coupon.
with that person's coupon code, like there will be so many creators, right? Productivity creator or founders who will be using our app. So if they tell them use this coupon code, we'll get
Oh
20%
yeah,
discount or
yeah,
10% discount, something.
yeah, yeah.
If you're going
That
with
also the 10% we can give it to them.
hmm,
Like that we can do.
affiliate links.
I think we should see. We have to also split our time on what we focus more on, because
Hmm.
I feel the second product is actually, it has a niche market. Yesterday also while sleeping I was thinking
Hmm. And
if we
today,
launch,
yes.
if we do it, if we plan it and if we execute it perfectly,
Hmm.
if we hit the right people,
Hmm.
if we hit the right consumers in the market, we are going to it's really going to be useful.
That product will be very useful, but it will
I
be
think it's just a
very
productivity basically.
it will be very difficult for us to market that product and make people
Yeah,
addict to that product. It will be very
yeah,
difficult.
only for the 2-3% of the people, and
Hmm.
not for the 97%.
We should create some kind of you can say some sessions or some kind of activities or some event. Tomorrow also I have event, man. I forgot to tell you. Tomorrow
I
7.
also have an idea. Maybe in the next release we can add collaboration with that app.
Where we can share it to yoga instructors or some kind of thing where consistency matters in a field. Today I'll tell you. Before that, I'll tell you one more thing. Tomorrow I have one event. You can say not an event, founders meet, something like that. How I went for Leela Paris, right, Chennai. Similar like that. 7:45 to 9:45 something today tomorrow morning. So I'll go there. Today also, while I was in gym, I met one guy. Okay,
You went to gym? You are going to gym?
yeah, not going. Just I started 5 6 days back. Not doing anything, man. I'm not eating anything. First of all, not eating anything. You can say whatever is prepared in house. That one. I hate eating, man. Eating is like cannot do that thing. I don't know how people are eating 5 6 eggs and all. I cannot even eat one egg.
I'm only eating frozen foods. What?
I cannot eat anything. I what today what I ate, rice I ate, just rice and dal. That's it. I'll just go do some workout. I'll remember how you used to teach in college. Just back exercise I was doing. To see up, release fully. No one is there whom I'll ask. Like this I'll do.
It'll be
You
very
should.
nice coming and going.
Yeah, back workout and all. Today I was doing it. I remembered like you should not pull with shoulders. You should use your like back to pull it. I was doing.
Traps. Yes,
Mm.
yes.
Then I'll tell you, one person came and asked me, today which workout you are doing? Because I spoke with him. He used to work in TCS for 6 years. He was a tester, automation tester. Now he told I'll leave TCS and I'll go for government jobs. So that time I asked him just how you are measuring, like how you are measuring what all workout you are doing every day here. Then he was like, I don't measure anything because I have a gym trainer and whatever he tells me I do it. Then I told, no, I use this app to measure everything. It's just linked with your watch and mobile, everything. So whenever you do something, you can see on that, something like that. Then he's like, wow, is it only for gym or something? I told it's for all, whatever you can do with that.
Mm. We can also categorize it
Hmm.
based on
He
the.
was very happy to see, man. Oh wow, very nice. Very nice.
That's a very good idea actually.
Hmm.
See, because many people wants to be productive and they don't mind investing in, you know, something that keeps them what they are doing.
This is like a therapy, also, you can say. Every minute there is one coach who is asking you what you're doing. There
Yeah, and
is
also if
someone.
you accomplish the task and you're gonna feel the dopamine of completing
Hmm.
something or completing whatever that is that cue
Yeah.
maybe that. Okay, so please
I think we
be
gave all
product.
hint. I think we gave all hint what you're building. Leave it.
Yeah, that's
If
for the
someone is
coming
seeing,
viewers.
because no one is seeing this thing. If you are very lucky, you can come here. We don't mind copying also idea. You can come copy exactly what you are building. Because every night we are getting one or other idea. If we close our eyes, we'll get new idea. So now I'm not thinking also about ideas.
So now, see, Pavan.
Yeah.
Okay, next is
Focus.
now we should just focus on the launch.
Then this thing
We
you
have
tell,
to.
phase two, this thing is left. For that
Which one?
P1, you told Varshal will check.
Yeah, Versal I checked. It's I see only if customers are more, then only the problem is.
Hmm.
But still, it's a subscription based thing. I think it's better we shift the back end somewhere and we only have the front end in Versal. I mean, the database is not in
Oh,
Versal,
that
correct?
is also there, right? Ah, I have to divide that. Claude also told me to
So,
divide. This will come in building phase, I guess. Or
yeah,
this is
so we have
shipping
to
the
check
product.
that
Same thing, right? Shipping the product. Ah, shipping the product will look.
next
Admin side, I have to
phase,
split it. It's next phase.
internally triggers functions and we have limits for function
I
calls.
forgot to add this.
So even if someone reloads or we have to ensure those things and we have to add some optimizations for the backend. Not at this stage, maybe
Subdomain, array.
coming stage we have to scale and optimize it properly. That we can do. That's not a big deal. I mean, it is a big deal, but
This thing is admin side and user side. I have kept
those
in
those two
separate domain.
automatically distribute and do it. That's fine.
Say admin side and user side, I kept it separate domain. This thing was very important. Subdomain. Build, only build should be uploaded. That is also one thing instead of uploading everything.
So what I feel is we'll just have the front end in the Versal and we'll have the back end
Where you'll keep the backend?
either in render or AWS
I think
or
for now, Versal is better than the render and all. Why? Because we don't have any kind of WebSockets, something. WebSockets and all are not there. So continuous communication is not required. Mosquito, man. Continuous communication is not required. So if you're going with render, there it's similar to AWS hosting or and all. You'll get a instance. Some and what is it? Render or railway. You'll get an instance over there. But when you're using Vercel, it's a serverless function. So you're not connected continuously on that server. You're getting it. So it's, I think for now it's
I
good.
think serverless function it has some limits.
Yeah, 1 million something per month, I guess. Requests.
Yeah,
That is only what I
1 or 2 lakh I guess.
saw here.
And there is also time execution time and timeout for the
1 million edge
function.
requests per month.
That is the request, okay, but the
Hmm.
execution of the execution duration of the function is also
That will be here 10 to 60 seconds execution duration.
mm,
This one only,
like
right?
that is also there.
This one
Yeah,
only.
yeah. So maybe that. Oh, you're sharing the screen. I
Huh.
can't see your screen.
Arey, this I hate this man. Now
Yeah,
these things. 1 million edge cases request
very
per
good, brother.
team.
It's very good. Yeah, maybe we can discuss, have another discussion while we are scaling it.
Uh-huh. But now it's not required, I guess.
Yeah, once we get 5 to 10 users, then we'll start thinking about that.
Then we'll see how it is behaving at least. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
This thing, okay, not required now. So this thing I have to split it. Adding data is in that part only. While development only we will add data. Okay.
Yeah, I think we have to do something for that. Okay, let me just think about it. Okay,
Mm.
we'll try to write some agents that will
Mm.
do the task
Mm-hmm.
for us.
No need to upload in house. See this thing I added. Play Store, App Store upload will be there. First register the company, then only I will focus on.
Registration of the company, I'll speak with my sister again.
Mm.
I think she came from,
Yeah.
she went for a trip and she came
Mm.
today morning. So maybe tomorrow I'll speak regarding that.
Yeah.
We will find a date and then we'll
Yeah.
register it.
Then see where register. After that only we'll think of uploading the app on Play Store and App Store. Um,
Yeah.
it's loss only now because I took normal plan. I don't know if I can convert that normal plan personal account to organizational account. Organization again we have to pay then. I think
Okay, then.
I don't know. So now
And
I
also we have to
until this I'll
see, but
hi.
there are priorities. Okay,
Uh huh.
on see in the marketing thing we have to prioritize which product we should spend more time on marketing. That's what I feel personally because
Hmm.
see, I feel more than P1, P see, P3 depends upon the users and again P3 depends upon the marketing and
P
P2 is P2
P2 is where we have to make some community. We
yeah
have to
P2 is
we have to be
something that
present.
no, P2 is more than community. P2 is something that um, to whom we give this product to because
Hmm.
if you are giving it to someone like a normal person who's very happy with their life and something like that, they
Yeah.
are not gonna use.
Hmm.
See, normal person who's having see, it's not about anything like speaking uh,
Yeah.
negative about them, but it's like they are happy with their life and they are just happy with their
They
life.
don't want that much stress.
Yeah, they don't want not about stress also. They don't want to either they would have achieved whatever they wanted in their life, or
Hmm.
they are just settled. They are just happy. That's it. So someone
Who is
I
constantly
guess
working, like who wants to crack NEET,
yeah who
UPSC
wants
exams.
yeah UPSC and then yeah people like that and people who are really focused on what they do every second.
I think creating business communities, right? How I'm going tomorrow. So that kind of business communities, sharp-minded, focused people will come. So if we can sell these things to them, then we can sell these things to anyone.
True, true, true.
Because if they are liking it,
Because some people there are some things that has time based deadlines and time based tasks, right? Something like problem solving or something like that. For them also it will work.
we are given all the hints, right? And if a person sees this thing from start till end, they'll come to know what we are building. They'll give them that much hint. But someone should be patient to come here, watch this thing entirely.
That is fine.
No one is having that much patience nowadays. Everyone's is short temper, short term focus.
True.
Okay. So here, what all things is that we'll just write it down: collecting data, marketing data.
Mm.
Then,
Scalability based on the user.
this one for marketing, I'm saying this is marketing the product, right? So marketing the product.
P1, your screen is off.
Ah, it's mosquito, man. I hate this mosquito. Normally, full day I will not. This mosquito will not be. Yeah. Now this screen. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes. Now tell me. So here for phase three marketing poster thing and all, for everything it's required. Okay, visuals. Hello.
P3 you're speaking.
No, P1 I'm saying. P3 phase marketing phase. Product one, product two, product three. Everywhere making posters. That is thing is
Yeah,
required.
that's needed.
Huh?
Correct, correct, correct.
Uh,
Good,
and
good, good.
I'm also thinking. I don't know. We should do it or not. Uh, how we did for Hairway on, right? I don't know. You we created a website where we shown all the apps, what's happening in that app, how you can use it, everything. It's like a what is it? How I can say, man? Uh, landing page for app. What we'll be building, everything, all screens will be there. Rest of
Okay, okay.
that link, everything will be there.
This
Because foreign people are there, right? Foreign people like to have early access, wait list, whoever are interested, early launch, early using the beta version of this app. If anyone is interested who wants to use the beta version of this app, they'll come and pre-register in our website. Foreign people are more into this kind of thing, man. They'll be in waiting list. They are ready to wait for this app to be launched. They will.
and also more than Indian uh, market, I think this will really go well for no.
Foreign market.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Indian market will 100% we have consumers, but I'm saying
Hmm.
we can focus on that this thing also abroad market.
What I was saying just now, I forgot. See, short-term memory loss. Saying
No,
something, right?
the focus I'm saying.
I was saying something. No need to. Where I should, why, where we should add that. Ah,
Which one? Which one? I also forgot.
just both are short-term memory loss.
I was thinking something else, like which market we should do it. I was thinking about the markets.
Uh, landing page where we should have.
Banners, landing page, and other stuff. Banners, banners. I
Here,
was thinking about way
here
of
we should
thinking.
add, or we should add in building only. We should add that landing page and all. For landing page, screens are important. Screens are ready for now,
That should be a separate task for it.
but that should
It
be
should
some
not be
task,
product.
right?
It should not be product based. It should be task based. Maybe we can give
No,
those
no,
tasks.
it will come under P1 only, but in which phase? While building the app, because for web and all, we have that thing ready. See how we made for this
I
thing.
think that inside that
See,
common thing, right? Health, right? And
but here if you see, that is the main thing. But under also we'll have thing, right? So if you see about product three, we have a separate website for that also, where we are showing
yeah, but
everything.
the banners and all, oh, that
You're getting it? Whenever you want to sell something, you should show at least a website. What we are doing, how we are doing it, what is the main thing we are solving. Hmm. Because from just an app, you cannot say anything from that app. description will be there, everything will be there on Play Store. But what is that app for? How many users have used it? What is the uh, yes,
No, I can understand. I can understand. I can understand.
so we where we have to add that in product
No,
phase.
that I'm thinking that should be a separate task rather than the product itself, because it is of
Because if you say for product 3 also, we are only thinking about the product, but we didn't update fully the website. The website
yeah,
is
yeah, I
not.
can understand.
So here we
No,
should add that also.
that should be a separate. It should be a separate task here. It's not about phase one building. It's not about phase two shipping. It's not about phase three marketing. It comes under phase three. Uh, posters. Yeah, create marketing posters and individual websites maybe for each phase. Maybe you can put something like that. Instead of P1, P2, P3, you can put something like that. Something like
Because
creating marketing,
because we can add it over here also, right? Product 2.
visuals, banners.
No, no. What I'm saying is, if you can add it over here, yeah, yeah. If you can add it over product, what is it? Product building phase only.
No, that is not in the building phase, right? That is not a product, right?
You're saying about product. Okay, okay. Shipping, it's not a shipping. Okay, you're saying like that. We can add it
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here.
You should add that in the marketing phase, because
Uh-huh.
that is only gonna describe what the product is about, what it does, and how it's useful for the users, and how many users are using
But
that
in
product.
marketing phase also, if we are consistently building that only, that we are still in building phase only, right? But we are not building the product. It's building the landing page. Saying like that. Product building is done. Now it's product showcasing phase.
Yeah, something like that.
Uh-huh.
So we
It's
have to showcase the product.
over
Basically,
here
it
only.
comes
Correct.
under subdomain of marketing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So here what we should say is what we should write: creating landing page for this.
Basically, that is actually gonna be a simple website.
Yeah, simple website waiting list. Main concept is for waiting list. Mainly
Hmm.
for early users list. Okay, done. Then creating marketing visuals, creating marketing posters, collecting data for marketing. What kind of data?
Marketing, collecting marketing data means like we have to collect the leads thing, like the contact
Here,
information.
what kind of data is required? College.
Wait, the screen is not shared.
Nonsense. See this nonsense. What is it? Google Meet is having so many issues. They are not solving it. But when we are starting a startup, we think we have to solve each and every issue. Suddenly, it's getting stopped. Huh. College data is required. Then anything again?
Then
See, we have, remember, we have colleges also in that list of all those things. We have, and one more thing is we showed that roadmap thing, right?
uh,
For that also, only limited things are added. We should add everything in that.
yeah, that also
So
we can
that
add.
also, what is that? Career data,
It's just make it as roadmap.
college data, college data is required. Then what? For marketing. This is not for marketing.
Sorry,
This is not for marketing, right? Roadmap data is not for marketing.
not for marketing. That comes under building.
Hmm.
But
We cannot add it over here.
something like
Yeah.
we can show them in the. We can market using that also. That is a very good thing to market actually.
Career.
Okay, roadmap, yeah, man. Because
No, no, but
that's actually
that is
great point.
that is how we can get customers. But what is the main thing? What will be marketing?
Okay.
That is the feature. HSL.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
here we need, for marketing we need students, college students data.
Yeah.
Then college students data. Then what data we need? One thing was there, man. Colleges data. With colleges we can do something.
Conducting hackathons, webinars, seminars, that also we'll get to us.
Mm, I had one friend from VIT. That guy, he has his own website or startup where they conduct hackathons and where they hire also students. Hire like, if I am incubated, so I need students, right, whom I can pay, or like, for 2,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees also. So
Hmm.
he students from VIT will go over there as founders. They will start to hire from that kind of place. There you can find data if you can collaborate with them.
Hmm.
College like VIT people will not come. Inside college you have to target that 30%.
They will also have some agreement, right, regarding the data. Everybody, there is a law also, like we should not.
But if we are conducting hackathon, we can collect the data.
Let, yeah, with the permission we can collect the data.
Yeah. Hmm. If we can collaborate with them also, it will be like, use our website to do XY thing. Then after doing that XY thing, you can go to his platform, you can get some jobs. So collaboration with both the things. From him we can get the data. With that data, we can use
We'll
it.
market ours.
We can use it. We can get customers. We'll train them, do XYZ things. Afterwards, the same customer will go to their platform to get job
Getting.
if he's ready. I don't even remember he'll remember my name or not. Because we both went in that Leela Palace. Only two people were there from VIT. Only two people registered. After going there, only came to know this guy also came. But now he was an, I think, lead in one club also, robot club or something.
Now what business he's doing?
That kind of, I forgot his name of that website. He shared me once. He was like, Pawan, if you want to hire someone, you can come onto this platform and you can use it. Basically, that guy does hackathon. And one more person is there who used to hire people. He's, I think he's working somewhere. He's passed out from VIT. That guy is our senior. Who called. That was, we can also speak with them. So collaborating with uh, uh, with uh, job search platform. Huh?
Not job search platform, maybe like collaborating with different uh, colleges first thing, and then next is different organizations that conduct hackathons, webinars, seminars,
Uh, okay.
conferences,
What is it? Clubs. Clubs is one.
groups and organizations, chapters,
Hackathons,
those who.
etc. I feel okay. This is okay, right? This way data we need. Then comes the third product. For this thing, we need digital marketing companies data. Correct, right?
Yeah, that I think we can get it from LinkedIn only.
Hmm.
We can send some newsletters or something. We
Hmm.
can.
You can scrape it. We have to. The main thing is our website. With that should speak about us.
Yeah,
In that website also we have to integrate Google traffic.
yeah, so
So
that it will be legit.
at least we will earn some money from that. Legit and not leave. Money is important.
More than legit, that is to leave.
Connect Google Ads. Only two things. At least nothing is working means from this we can at least earn from Google Ads. Because every company will click on this link at least to just see what we are building. And if engagement is high, then from here only we can do something. Digital marketing company data is required. Then what is required?
And
Only
then
one thing, huh? That thing, nothing is required. Here, what is there? We are not doing anything, right? Oh, for marketing here, creating landing page here, what is required, man? Yeah, Reddit communities.
Reddit communities, more than that, the design is more important. Like,
Designer,
I mean, like how we market. We should not sell the product here. Okay,
like
we can use it.
How Hyrox did it, right? Started small, took that a group of people and made them what is it? Not speaking about Hyrox. How we should do is take a group of people, let them use it, give us feedback. Slowly, that group will also be like a word of mouth.
Yeah,
And
word of mouth is very good.
yesterday also I was seeing for P1 product. Instead of targeting the final year students at the early first year stage, we can target the first year students who are freshers. Freshers are new. It will be easy for us to convert those fresher to a real using customers.
See,
Okay.
there are a lot of influencers who are really consistent, like bodybuilders and
Hmm.
more than bodybuilders. There are so many people who wants to be consistent, and something should be there to log, right?
Yeah.
And also, I mean, what you can do is, uh, you can maybe connect to Google Drive from that.
That is just sharing data. That only me and Siddharth were speaking. If we are telling users that you can take all your data and you can edit in Google Drive or basically exporting the data. If you can export it, that means tomorrow if a new customer comes with the same product with a cheaper price than us, that time a person can export the data and import to that platform. So if they came with this, if you are not putting that export option, and now you have your platform where XYZ customers are there, n number of customers are there, and now a new platform came where there are no customers in that. So these people from our
The
platform,
data can't leave.
yeah, they will not go from one platform to another platform. Same like Snapchat. You are maintaining your streak over here. You're having some kind of data in that Snapchat. So new platform like Snapchat will not go viral.
No, the analysis we have to keep it different types. Like just say whatever task you did.
I thought of keeping it like general.
Journal. Yeah,
General.
it should be like we'll have. I got another idea. We'll have
Uh,
three types of three multiple types of analysis also. That also they can use. That's something like that we can have.
hmm. So here this thing is done, right? Three phases are done, right? Yeah. So what you can do is you can stop this thing over here only for today. These are the things. Tomorrow, or you can start thinking of how we can get, like if you are using LinkedIn, XYZ LinkedIn, because these things are not in our hand. What is it? Community clubs and all, but LinkedIn is in our hand. So tomorrow, how we can do is we can show live how we can get data from LinkedIn. LinkedIn, how we are doing it, how we'll create age. If we are using agents, then how we'll do it. If you're using manually, how we'll do it. How if Aditya is doing, Aditya will tell you how we'll scrape the data. How we'll use Claude fully. How much session is left, man? Yours limit.
Mine is over. Cloud limit is over.
My
For
40%.
me, it's over.
I think for 50% is used. They also increased it to Friday, man. It's just people.
Every Friday only it's resetting, and they have so many additional something design new something
Design, Claude design came. You didn't see my video. I made first video on that. 109 only views went on that. Claude launched a new tool called Claude Design. Very nice. They made it. Why full? You should see my hook. What I told. Hey designers, I think your job is at risk. Something. It is very easy for recording, man. One shot I can record everything. But the main difficult part is editing. Very irritating.
what they are making, man.
Before First day I told, no, second day I told, hey, designers, your job it is risk. Okay, first day what I told was, see, people using Claude, you should understand, you should not use Claude because Claude is giving faltu code or different code is modifying your code. You will not be able to understand what it's written in that. First thing was not to use Claude. Second thing is like AI will take your job.
Pawan, you are going to become a negative YouTuber. Be careful.
What?
Don't become a negative YouTuber.
Negative content are reaching more viral. See, I'm not YouTuber. I am just here. Every video I'll say, I don't want views. I don't want followers. If no one is following, also okay. I only want to record what we are doing. When we'll come back over here, we should see that. See, I am. Mosquitoes are over here. Mosquitoes are biting me. This journey should remember when we'll be sitting in what? Where, man? Which place you told? Vietnam? Where?
Last week.
Las Vegas. Yeah. So remember where we started, how we planned everything. This kind of thing. I don't even know this is, we don't even know if this is correct or not. This is how we have to do it or not. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. These things we should
We'll
do.
just do it. We'll just see that.
Whatever we have idea, whatever we did it, same thing we are doing, and we will be showing each and everything how we are doing. Okay. So I'll stop the stream over here. Bye guys. Say bye, man.
Bye, boy.
Yeah, I'll stop it. Tomorrow we'll see how we'll